So, thank you so much to my family who are always here to support me all throughout during my first until the last, until I graduate. Special thanks to my auntie for this last of surprises. Grabe, what you gonna expect? From money bouquet to this dinner. Kay actually, naghatag na si auntie og pang lunch. And wala dyan siya nagsaba-saba for this lechon, cake, and all. And of course, to my family here sa Cebu, my mama, si mama nga naa sa Saudi. I know na tanan na graduation, wala katan si mama, but it doesn't feel na mama is not here because I have my family supporting me all throughout. Like, wala sila nag-fail nako from first to last. So, even though si mama na sa layo, but I know na this is also for my mom's milestone nga nakagraduate na ang iyahang panganay, as well as ilalula. First ampo ni Lula nga naka degree holder. So thank you so much sa lahat-tanan kay Papa, sa ila auntie, ila tita, ila tito, sa akong mga cousins, and all nga mga nga na-after me sa akong kiliran nga nag-guide. And thank you so much, Lord, for this opportunity and for guiding me all throughout na success jud. So, to God be all the glory.